RoxWIKI.com, best product advisor behind Amazon. RoxWIKI.com presents 10 best camcorder. Let's see which camcorder is best for you to buy. Starting with the list, number 1. Camcorder name: Canon Vixia HFR700 camcorder. Camcorder information: 57x, 32.5 to 1853 mm, advanced zoom and SuperRange optical image stabilizer helps provide outstanding steady video. 3.28 megapixel full HD CMOS image sensor. DIGIC DV4 image processor captures video at 1920 by 1080 resolution and helps provide outstanding imaging performance. Record full HD video directly to a removable SD memory card. 1080/60p. Recording in MP4, 35 Mbps, and AVCHD Progressive. List number 2. Camcorder name: Sony HD Video Recording HDR-CX405 Handycam camcorder. Camcorder information: create clearer memories with full HD/60p and optical SteadyShot image stabilization. Every moment you capture benefits from a 26.8mm wide-angle ZEISS lens and 30x optical, 60x clear image zoom. Easily charge or transfer files with the built-in USB cable, and automatically create highlight videos from multiple clips in MP4 for easy sharing. Built-in USB cable for easy file transfer, charge. The high-speed, built-in USB 2.0 cable allows for easy connection to your computer for charging or file transfer without having to remember separate cables. It also fits conveniently into the hand strap. List number 3. Camcorder name: digital video camera. Camcorders with our night vision. Camcorder information: there are so many options, why choose us? Digital camera, 24 million pixels. Mass storage: 16 times digital high efficiency zoom. Remote control function. Face detection. Smiling face photo. Anti-shake DSP, allow you to take stable images easily on the move. IR function: compared with other similar camcorder, this camcorder adds the infrared night vision shooting function, which helps capture clear photos and videos while in the darkness. List number 4. Camcorder name: Fitiger 2.7-inch LCD screen digital video camcorder. Camcorder information: advantages: this HD video camcorder maximum output is 24.0 megapixels, 2.7 TFT LCD touchscreen, 16x zoom camera. Sensor CMOS 5.0 megapixels, the max to 24.0 MP, high-class material and advanced technology. Record high-quality image, and can be mount tripod at the bottom of the battery. Battery: Li-ion battery NP40, 3.7 volts 1250 mAh. For the first time use need to charge more than 8 hours, after will need to charge about 3 hours. List number 5. Camcorder name: Panasonic HCV-770 HD camcorder with wireless smartphone twin video capture. Camcorder information: long 20x zoom draws in the scene from far away. Compatible with remote pan tilt cradle, optional. Exclusive high dynamic range feature reduces bright spots for a professional look. Wirelessly connect your smartphone's video camera for a picture-in-picture video effect. Panasonic's unique, high-speed engine lets you shoot and play smooth slow-motion video in full HD. Its noise reduction function reduces noise for crisp, vibrantly colorful full HD image. List number 6. Camcorder name: Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 instant film camera, white, discontinued by manufacturer. Camcorder information: the Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 instant film camera, white, is a compact instant film camera that uses the Fujifilm Instax Mini type film to produce instant credit card-sized prints. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 features a Fujinon 60mm lens that is capable of focusing close to 2 feet. Its built-in flash provides additional light for exposures, especially working in low light conditions. The automatic exposure control ensures consistently accurate exposures in a variety of lighting conditions. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 uses 2 AA batteries as its power source. List number 7. Camcorder name: Sony HDR-CX405/B9.2 video recording camcorder with 29.8mm wide-angle Carl Zeiss zoom lens, black. Camcorder information: 26.8mm wide-angle Zeiss lens. 50 Mbps AVCHD trademark 1920 by 1080 at 60p, AVCHD and MP4 codecs. Optical SteadyShot trademark image stabilization with active mode. 30x optical, 60x clear image zoom to get closer to the action. Automatically creates highlight video in MP4 from multiple clips. List number 8. Camcorder name: video camera, Loxwiki Full HD 1080p 30fps Wi-Fi camera, camcorder DVR with external microphone and wide angle lens, HDVZ20. Camcorder information: hot new release camcorder, Sony IMX179 8MP sensor, upgrade built-in chip, Full HD 1080p 30fps, can mount an external microphone and LED video light. Attach a 37mm wide-angle lens. Newly upgraded external microphone. It can mount to any standard hot shoe on most DSLR or digital video cameras. And it has hot shoes base which can attach an external LED video light, helps to ensure your video's perfect settings. It comes with a 0.45x wide-angle lens and a macro lens. The 37mm wide-angle lens is perfect for this camcorder. The macro lens can take clearly images within 10 cm to 30 cm range. List number 9. Camcorder name: HD Cool HC7000 4K Wi-Fi action camera. Camcorder information: LCD screen, 2.0 inches LTPS. Lens: 170 degrees A+ high definition wide angle lens. Video resolution: 4K 30 fps/2.7K 30 fps/1080p 60 fps/1080p 30 fps/720p 90 fps/720p 60 fps/720p 30 fps. Photos resolution: 16MP/12MP/8MP/5MP/2MP. Time-lapse record: off/0.5 seconds/1 second/2 seconds/5 seconds/10 seconds/30 seconds/60 seconds. Loop recording: off/2 minutes/3 minutes/5 minutes. Slow motion: 1080p 60 fps/720p 90 fps. Drama shot: 3p/s, 5p/s, 10p/s. List number 10. Camcorder name: Kumi Camcorder Full HD 1920 by 1080p 24.0 megapixels camera. Camcorder information: video resolution: 1920 by 1080 FHD at 15 fps, 1280 by 720 HD, 640 by 480. Image resolution: 6000 by 4524 m, 5120 by 3840 20 m, 4608 by 3472 16 m, 4000 by 3012 m, 3264 by 2448 8 m, 2592 by 1944 5M, 2048 by 1536. 3M, 1280 by 961 m. Pause function, support. Date and timestamp function, support. TV out, NTSC/PAL. HDMI output, support. USB, MSDC/PCAM. Built-in microphone, support. Thank you for watching our video about 10 best camcorder. To get those camcorder, follow the description link below and subscribe to our channel for future upload.